Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, so got my tires and wheels mounted finally. These are the B&H monster truck tires from RC4 drive on the Proline wheels that I showed you earlier. I love these wheels. They're tedious to put together. I use the drill. You have to be very careful because they are not self-tapping. They're a fine thread screw and you're going into the plastic. These tires are gnarly. Lots of grip. Gonna be great in the sand. They're almost like a paddle tire. I still don't have a body for this. I mean, this cage was designed around a Clodbuster body, but if you remember, that body was pretty hacked up, so we turned it into the drift truck. But I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Just kind of taking my time with this. I have the motors and the ESC. I am short one pinion gear. I've got to try to track down what I think is the stock pinion gear. As we're building this, I'm kind of thinking my rear suspension isn't going to work. It's sagging pretty low. Has plenty of flex, but that was the way the chassis was already cut. And I may have to come back and weld a shock mount up here somewhere. Give it a little bit more lift in the rear. But I don't know, we'll have to cross that bridge when we get there. First I've got to get it running. And yeah. So anyways, I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. And I did finally procure the RCeveryday.com. It just takes you to the YouTube page for now, but there will be a website coming for that. Pretty exciting. But yeah, we got all these goodies here from Crawford Performance Engineering for the steering and the rear lockout. The cage is finished, so yeah. See you guys in the next video. Be sure to keep it scale.